Alright everybody, welcome back to Barbells and Burnouts. She's in
I don't know why you
the
said
shop
welcome
again.
back, man. You ain't had a video out in like a year.
You see it? Okay, cool. We'll get to why I haven't had a video in a year since Kayla wanted to call me out first things first. But welcome back everybody. We're working on Baby Girl right now. I've been having some cooling system issues, the only thing we can describe it as. So we're going to do a...
She ain't got no chill.
Yeah, she ain't got no chill. And she ain't got no heat neither. That's how... But
That's the real problem.
we're gonna do a leak down test on the S. I'm gonna update you guys on my life and everything. Yeah.
Nobody want to hear about that.
What about you? What's your update? Yeah. Put them.
Newly single, dad died. It's been a crazy year.
Oh my god. That wasn't. I'm at the car. Kayla has some stuff coming for his S as well.
Don't you put this in a goddamn video.
We gonna have so many jump cuts. But yeah, so Kayla has some stuff coming too. But right now we're gonna start on this leak down test. All right. See you in a sec.
Any worse?
So Cliff is convincing me to do a compression test before we do the leak down test, which is gonna change the whole conversation of the car. But you know, like we said, it's much better to do it than not know. At least we know what we're dealing with.
All you gotta know is the truth. It's just, it's just,
They don't look that bad though. They don't look too bad.
right, I saw it. You good?
All right.
18, 20. What is that?
10%.
What is that?
220.
220. Yeah.
225.
225. 225?
25. Yeah, that's close. That's like, because 10% of 225 is 22.5. So yeah, it's within 10. All right, let's hope this next one ain't 180. So, how do you feel?
Holding bated breath right now because so our first reading was I think 210, but I didn't bump over number 1 hard enough. The second one was 225, and that last one was 235. So I think 2 and 3 are right within. We're gonna redo 1. All right, you ready for the other one? Ready for 4?
Yeah, shoot.
All right. 235. Like that.
You had 230.
235. Yeah, 230. You're right. 230. Yeah, you good. You straight.
At least the motor ain't gone, boy. Hey, I got a motor for sale.
You only passed the compression.
I know. All right, everybody. So we got
So
the
when
valve.
you gonna start the part out?
You said start the part out now. It ain't that bad. It ain't that bad. All right. So they're saying my cams look a little scored.
Stop, don't say that.
Nah, they don't look scored. They don't look scored. They look
You
great.
gotta sell this motor.
The motor looks great, pristine shape. You know what I'm saying? The oil looks great. No, like the oil actually does look cleaner than everything else. You know what I'm saying? It's not foamy, so we don't have any issues with that, right? Overall, she looks good. No part out.
For now. That's not right. It is. That's not.
You said it's right there. It's
Yeah. So this is a TDC indicator right there. One right there. these two are lined up, those two dashes right there and right there, and then there's one on the actual crank pulley, but that we can't see. That should be, I think, facing upward. So once those align, then cylinder 1 is at TDC.
See, look at you.
And there's a cat.
Watch somebody in the comments gonna say some shit.
I'm gonna put it on S2K GA.
It's not right, buddy. Alright, so we're gonna do Leakdown test, and per the instructions, we're supposed to do cylinder 1 first, cylinder 3, cylinder 4, and then cylinder 2. So let's get to
the engine toast anyway, so I don't understand why we do.
Y'all see the bad vibes. Caleb be trying to get me to K swap, not even LS swap, another K swap. He be, man, don't be talking about
LS swap. I'm fine with that.
He said, just get the F out. Get the F out.
Okay, so I think what we have to do is this is think
That
right.
should be set to 100.
So this is set to 100, and this is set to 0. I'm gonna open this and put this to 100, and the difference between this and this is what would be
Your leak down.
our leak down. So you're supposed to get some leakage. So that is what?
60. Oh, difference is 5%? That's not bad at
Okay.
5%. Cylinder 1. All right, everybody. So we did a leak down test. Here are the numbers right here. All you really need.
Lying.
Stop. He just mad. There's no swap today. So the numbers look good from the leak down and the compression test. So it's safe to say my motor is safe. Thank you, Jesus. I love him so much for taking care of my car and my headaches. So we think we found where the leak was from the cooling system, because that doesn't explain me not having coolant in there. You know what I'm saying? And smelling coolant. But this
Kinda. Well, I'm saying this would.
yeah.
This crack right here in my, as I'm pointing to it, not showing you guys. This reservoir had a crack on the top. So we just sealed it up.
Dirty.
Yeah, it is what it is. I gotta wash it. But the crack on the top, we are sealing it now. I'm going to get a new one within the next week. But this is just to get me home and make sure the car doesn't pop on me.
Like, you got so much dirt in here. It's
Bro, I haven't had time. This is the daily. I haven't been able to clean my car. Look at them hating. Look at them hating.
You need a Toyota Camry.
A Camry? Why you playing? The Camrys are faster than me. You see here we playing.
Straight line everywhere. Eat your ass.
It's going to kill me. But anyways, thank God my motor is safe. So we're going to put this back together. We should be good, right, Caleb?
Yeah, I think we're sure.
Yeah. All right, guys. So, like I said, I was going to update you guys on why I haven't been posting videos like that. So really what's been going on, I am obviously... We're gonna cut that. But anyways, obviously some of you guys know I'm a teacher, so I'm back in school, so that's been slowing me down. But I'm also in a master's program for my teaching, so that has really been hampering. Yeah, that's why I've been gone.
Hey, y'all want him teaching y'all fucking kids? Crazy.
That's the funny part, right?
That's the wild part. I would drag my
This
my
nigga
child.
can't even take care of his car.
How am I supposed to watch that kid?
Take care of my child. I would get my kid out of school so quick.
Why you playing like go see this? But anyways, yeah, so I've been working on my master's program. I'm also coaching a flag football team, so my time has been really consumed. But that's not to say that I should not have been putting videos out, because that's not fair to you guys, all right? So like I said, this video is coming out. I got like 3 or 4. Oh, you said nobody be watching my nobody watch my videos? But no, so I'm gonna get this video. I have a few more videos coming out for you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying tuned in. And I promise there will be more content for you guys, all right? So I will see you later. Peace. Y'all wanna say bye?
They said they'll believe it when they see it, motherfucker.
We'll say that about the K-Swap. Got him!
Yo, we'll keep you updated on the part out.
See you guys.